Okay, let's talk real fast about how to handle errors using async await, both synchronously and asynchronously. Okay, so here's just a regular function. It's throwing a new error, synchronous error. Now, if I do a regular try catch finally block, like so, it's going to throw something, an error. A try catch will try to run this function. Okay, this function catches this error. How do we know? We're console.logging error, and then let's do plus. Let's do capital error cut. So see, so we cut the error because it's synchronous. Now, what happens if I put the word async in front of this function? Now, what does async do? Well, async makes the function returns a promise. Okay? Since it's returning a promise, when you do the try and you call this function, even though the promise is being rejected, aka throw new error, the try is still seen as successful, okay, because this function ran without any issue. Okay? So that's why the catch clause does not run. The error you see right here is not from line number 9, it's from line number 4 because it's throwing a new error. Okay? So our catch doesn't run, and our finally always runs anyways. So how do we catch this asynchronous error? Well, to catch an async error, you need another async function. So async function, I'll call this function run. Okay. And then inside of run, I'm just going to copy all of this, put it here. Now, if I call run, are we going to catch that? No, we don't catch it. Why? Because even though we have an async function, we actually still have to await asynchronous operations inside that. Okay, it doesn't automatically check if this returns a promise and await it. You have to do it yourself. So here, after we put await, you see that our error is actually caught first, and then our cleanup function runs. This means that our catch error ran, and then our finally clause ran. As opposed to if we delete this, you see that our cleanup function runs because our catch clause never ran. Okay, I hope that was helpful.